that 8 hours is not even being paid for 100 rupees. They pay less than 50 rupees. When you go for leaves, they do not approve your leaves. They literally tell you, even if it's an emergency, kindly log in. Even if you're in hospital, kindly log in. Yes, even I have done that. Getting removed, sorry, post discharge from the hospital, I have logged in with the swollen hands because of the glucose which I have endured in the hospital. I had logged in being even in that condition. People like me, there are so many in Cognizant healthcare sector who are suffering. One of my friend, which I cannot name the project or take the name, logs in 3 p.m. in the afternoon, logs out 7:30 a.m. When you see, she's been not even paid for proper 8 hours because our Indian labor laws are joke on us and them. Our Indian system do not take anything seriously. Our life, our career, nothing matters for them. All matters is they are getting money from Adani, Ambani, or from big shots, and they're happy on that. We, being a middle class people who have no wealth of that much, we have to suffer in this way. From past 4 years, Cognizant have not given hike, appraisal, promotion. Leaves is a joke on Cognizant. You do not get your ML, you do not get your planned leave, you do not get your sick leave, anything. Cognizant has a policy of 100% attendance. Yes, if you are even 99%, your appraisal just tarnished like this. Even if you get 100% attendance and 5 out of 5 ratings, you are being paid only 1,000 rupees. Now, back 4 years, Cognizant paid 15,000 rupees for a person who got out of rating, that is 5 rating. And today they are paying 1,000 rupees and 50 rupees as an appraisal. Yes, when I was working in Cognizant, I was paid as 50 rupees appraisal. Yes, this happened. So let me tell you, my face wash cost is more than your appraisal. Appraisal I cannot even keep in the small box, I feel. It does not go in this small hole also, your appraisal. When you go to them and ask about leaves, your leaves are rejected. When you go and ask them about, you are torturing us, this is wrong, you will be thrown out of the project and you will be made resign the next day. Yes, Cognizant is treating its employees like this. There are so many people who are very, very close to me who are working in Cognizant and suffering to this day-to-day life. I was also suffering. Thankfully, I resigned Cognizant. People have so... I just saw recently a person who had a lot of drink to come to Cognizant. Girl, you must have done some mistake to come here. So पाप किए होंगे तभी जाके मैं भी Cognizant में गई होगी. It's not a joke to say that we have done so many crimes that we are in Cognizant. It's the heartful tears which became stone and we are speaking like a robot today. People like me, there are so many who are suffering silently but cannot do anything. Why? Because we have our EMIs going on. We are taking care of our parents and grandparents. We are being an elder person in the home, earning bread for our family. Because with that only we are running our life, and that is the reason we are not able to quit the job. And they are so well aware of this point that apart from Cognizant, we have only Legato as a healthcare sector basically. They do not want you to be as a human being. They treat you like a slave. They enslave us with many things. You're supposed to work for 12 hours and show your timesheet. Show your timesheet as 8 hours. When asked for promotion hike, nothing. We are not given. We're not given a hike, a promotion, anything. Leaves is a joke. I, being a girl, out of 100, 95% of times have been admitted to hospital because of my period cramps. To that level of puking I have in, and that level of pain I endure on my periods. That is the reason I have been admitted in the hospital for multiple times. Even in that situation, I had to log in. Why? Leaves are not given to you. Your planned leave, your sick leave, your dying, and emergency leave not given. They will tell you, post the emergency, kindly log in. This is the only answer you'll be getting it. Your marriage leave, for that they'll create a nuisance scene to give you. Yes, my colleague whose wedding was there, he was tortured to next level to get the leave. Cognizant adhere with the policy of 100% attendance and give you money for not even 50 rupees for what you're working. You're working for 12 hours, but showing the timesheet for 8 hours. Yes,